This thing is huge. Hey, how's it going, guys? Justin here with Walts, and today we're going to be unboxing a Sony Bluetooth speaker, which we haven't done in a while, and this one caught my eye, and I really had to get my hands on it. So without further ado, here is the SRS-XG500. So when it comes to reviewing Bluetooth speakers, one of the big and important things to me is battery life. How does this thing do out on the lake all day? The XG500 comes with a whopping 30 hours of battery life, and that's pretty good for a heavy bass type of speaker. To charge it, you're gonna get 3 hours of play for 10 minutes of charge, which is super awesome. You'll barely have to charge this thing, and it should always be ready to go. And one of the cool things about this speaker in particular is that it does have a battery care feature. If you're not familiar with batteries and, sustaining battery life, essentially you really don't want to maximum charge them and let them go all the way to the bottom of their battery life too often, because it can kind of damage the battery, and that's just general electronics rule. So having that battery care feature will hopefully help kind of balance your charging and not overcharge this thing. Now, one of my favorite features upon unboxing this and trying it out, I was going to save it for the end of the video, but people click off and I really want you guys to see this. This speaker on the back does have 2 USB ports for charging. Did you forget your charging box or there's no outlets nearby? Feel free to charge your phone with this speaker. I mean, it's almost like a power bank and a Bluetooth speaker all in one. This is a pretty big speaker, and with big speakers comes an ergonomic kind of factor that you have to think about, because the bigger, the heavier the speaker is, if it's too heavy to carry around, or maybe the handle's not in the right place, it can be kind of annoying, especially when you're spending a lot of money on a speaker like this. So I do have to applaud Sony for having a great design in this handle here. It doesn't matter if you pick it up on the right side, the left side, or the center. It's really easy to carry, and it also looks pretty stylish. Oh, and if you guys are enjoying the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Now, the SRS-XG500 comes with a new speaker design, and it's a little bit different. They call it the X-Balance speaker. I'm gonna have to throw up some pictures to kind of show you guys what I mean. Instead of the standard oval speakers that you're used to, they're more rectangular and square, and this is supposedly supposed to help the sound, which honestly, it's hard to tell the difference between different speakers, but I can tell you right now, just listening to this, it sounds pretty damn good. It has really deep basses, and it even has a extra mega bass mode if you want to put it in, and obviously that's going to drain your battery a little bit more because it's using more power, but either mode sounds amazing. And you know me, I listen to a lot of hip-hop, so if I approve of a Bluetooth speaker, it's got to sound good. Now, arguably the most important feature, the RGB lights on the side. I mean, these things are sick. I'm a sucker for RGB lights, so if any speaker has RGB lights, it's an automatic winner for me. Now, earlier I said that power bank style design was my favorite feature, but now thinking about it, I think I have one more favorite feature. Back in the day, I used to play a lot of guitar. Not very good at it. Only took lessons for a couple months or so, and I've always wanted to get back into kind of playing it, but I don't have an amp. I saw this feature on the speaker and I almost flipped out. It does have a jack that you can plug in your guitar or your microphone if you want to do karaoke. That's right, so you could play and use this as an amp. I thought that was so cool. I might just have to take this home with me so I can relive my old memories. Now, I think that's going to wrap up everything for this video. I thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, have a great day. That's going to be all for this one, and if you guys haven't already, check out some of our other cool videos on products like these. If you guys are interested in getting the best deal on this product, email youtube@Walts. And if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos or deals.